Brittany asks, my child doesn't read fluently. What can I do? First step, don't panic. This is really common. Reaching the goal of fluent reading will be a gradual process over many lessons. Some kids may need to read a word 30 times before they can read it fluently without having to sound it out. Here are some great tips for developing reading fluency. Decoding skills come first. Don't work on fluency until your child can easily decode all the words in the text. Vocabulary is also important for fluency. When your child runs into a word they don't understand, they won't be able to read smoothly or with expression. Read aloud to your child every day or have them listen to audiobooks. When your child hears fluent reading, it will be easier for them to mimic it and eventually make it their own. It's also important to have your child read out loud to you. Silent reading has its place, but oral reading is much more effective in developing fluency. This article has lots of ideas for things to work on while reading aloud, including phrasing, using character dialogue, recording your child, and buddy reading. And finally, keep encouraging your child. Reading fluency develops gradually, but as you can see, there's a lot you can do to promote it. And if you have any questions, please call us or email us at any time. We're always happy to help.